you doing, guys? We got a 2018 Freightliner. We end up installing the alarm with the remote start in the whole 9 yards. To on the alarm, you're gonna hit lock, puts it on, okay, disable it, tells you the voltage of the battery, the signal of the unit, the temperature inside the truck. I'm gonna hit the remote start. Okay, I program it for diesel. It's gonna turn on the ignition. It goes through all the gauges that need to cycle out and everything. It's gonna remote start now. And then you'll notice once I remote start, it's gonna give you 30 minutes of run time. Disarm it is there. The GPS comes with GPS, okay. And it has alarm alert, so if anybody fires off the alarm, it will give him the alert anywhere that he's at in the world. I'm gonna go ahead and it comes with the fobs. You can arm it and disarm it if you don't want to do it from the actual phone. But from the phone, you can do it anywhere. It doesn't require a hotspot inside the truck or anything. This thing hooks up to the server. And of course, if you want to remote start it, you press this twice and that will remote start the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and arm the alarm, right? And we're gonna get ready to open the door. You're gonna see that the alarm's gonna go off. There's the alarm alert, but of course the customer has the phone hooked up to his Bluetooth headset, so you're not going to hear it there, but I'm sure it's ringing in his ear. But it's a ringtone, you know, it will give you like a siren ringtone. To remote start the vehicle as well, you can hit this twice, okay, and that will remote start the truck. By the way, you can do this anywhere in the world. You can be out of the country and you can remote start the truck. From the remote is a length of a football field, but from the phone is anywhere as long as your phone is hooked up to the internet. Somebody opens the door, it will shut off the remote start, so you don't have to worry while you're sitting at home and you remote start it from your house and the truck is at the yard. You don't have to worry about somebody jumping in and taking off of your truck. The minute that somebody decides to break the window and open the door, it's going to shut off the remote start. This alarm system and this Freightliner was installed here in Miami, Florida. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This one happens to be a 2018 model, but anybody who is out of state cannot make it to Miami for us to do the installation, don't worry. You can give us a call at 305-298-4814. We have the kits prepped up, ready to go, and then we'll supply you with the installation video exactly how we installed it on the truck. It's about a 6 or 7 wire hookup. It's not the end of the world. The video makes it real easy. I never had anybody who wasn't able to do it. If you know how to work in these trucks and you do your own thing, you're not going to have any issues. Otherwise, you can let anybody who works in these trucks do it for you. But like I say, we make the videos for dummies. So basically what it was is we used to have a lot of customers come to us about 4 or 5 years ago. We used to do a lot of these trucks, but with the loads and whatever situation's going on with this industry, people are slowing down a little bit and making long trips. So that's why we end up creating the installation videos and prepping the kits, programming them. And what happens when you call us, we'll tell you the app that you need to download. We set up everything. Once you open your phone, the app will appear in your the profile will appear in your app. We'll set up everything. We'll bench test it. We'll send an alarm alert. Make sure your phone gets the alert. Make sure everything is done as far as the system program to your phone. And then we program the system accordingly to the truck that you have. And then once you get the alarm is just hook it up with 8 or 9 wires, and that's it. And one of them is power and ground. And then you got the ones that go for the remote start, which is all done behind the switch here in this vehicle. And then you're gonna hook up the one wire to the light at the top that you run it through this plate here, and then you fish it. Very easy to do, extremely easy. And that's basically it. So if you want to get this done in your truck now that the cold weather's coming, and you're more than welcome to come to Miami. Nice and warm, we can do it here for you. Otherwise, we do have a big yard, so you don't have to worry about, going through the city with your load in the back or anything like that. And that's pretty much it. We thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.